Welcome back trainers, hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I'll show you how to evolve Inkay into Malamar in Pokemon Go. It's little tricky, so you have to follow these steps carefully, so make sure you stick to the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of these steps that I can tell you right now. First, go to your Pokemon list and select Inkay. From here, simply choose your body and select your Pokemon Inkay. To evolve Inkay, you need to rotate your phone upside down while tapping the evolve button. Keep your phone upside down until the evolution animation starts. Inkay will then evolve into Malamar. Then make sure your app is updated to the latest version and your screen rotation is enabled. Otherwise, this trick won't be working on your phone or your device. So make sure you follow all the upper given steps to evolve your Inkay into Malamar in Pokemon Go. And that's it guys. Evolving Inkay into Malamar is easy once you know the upside down trick. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment if you have got a shiny Malamar. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.